Hello guys, hope you everybody fine. Today I'm going to show you if your car remote does not work, how you can fix it. So to fix it, it's the same procedure with every car. It can be Toyota, it can be Volkswagen. So to fix this, you need to have this kind of small screwdriver tools. So you can get from the normal pawn shop the bundle of screw, and the maximum time the car battery, you might need this kind of battery. I'll show you what battery exactly you need. So battery, the number is mentioned on the there. Okay, so to fix this, how you can open it. So there is one button. If you push it, then you can take out this key. oh, so this key you can use manually in the door handle, and if once you open that key, then you can, so here is a, this is closed, this is open. If you press it, then it will automatically come up with this cover. Then you need to change this battery. So there is a 4 screw, 1 2 3 4. So if you remove this 4 screw, then you can able to reach the battery. So for to do this, because this is very small screw, so you need to have very small one. All right, so I can open it for you. So I opened the screw. Let's see, I open this, and this is a screwdriver. And if I open this, then they will see that this is the battery. So this battery is CR1632. So CR1632, this is a special types of battery. Most of the normal pawn shop or small shop you might not see, because of most of them they sell different types of battery, like a CR2032 2061. That's kind of. So this is battery model is CR1632. This manufacturer, it can be any, and I bought it from cheap shop from online. I think 1 pound, yeah, 1 pound 72 pence, less than 2 pound. So you can fix it. So as soon as you replace this battery, so you can replace the battery. If you click there, and it will come up with the battery. Yes, so and you can fix it. Once you have the new battery, then click there, then there is a cover. So cover, it will go here, then you can screw up, then it will work. Okay, I hope you understood the procedure. And as soon as you fix this, and if you click on and off, then it will work. I'm sure you can solve your problem yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please press the like and subscribe. If you cannot understand, please make a comment, then I will try to help you from my end. Thank you very much.